big boy. Oh Lord. It's gonna pull me in.
It's better be more than 10
God,
pounds to pull you in.
he's not easing up. Oh yeah, he's a big one. He's about 15 pounds.
Oh, you lie.
No, no. Oh, I think he's got your line. Paybacks. Ben, you want to hold him? Catch him?
No, you can do it. I'll just...
Oh.
Good size.
Huh?
Good size.
He's strong. Oh. That's a nice fish.
Hold on, I'll take your picture with him now.